If you're paying 17% on a $10,000 credit card, how much interest do you pay? Let me ask you, what could you do with $1,700 if you didn't have to pay that credit card? You think that may give you the membership to the golf club that you wanted to do?
Absolutely.
So if we could get rid of this and save you $1,700 a year, would you like to be able to do that?
That's just the interest, not
That's just the interest.
the interest, yeah.
Is that better off in your pocket or the bank's pocket? Or whoever you got it through?
Well, I refinanced and I don't have any interest. It's a 0 interest for the life of the transfer.
Is it?
Sure.
On the life of the transfer?
Or until so long. Say I'm paying $500 a month.
Okay. So you're paying what, $500 a month on it? Okay. And how long are you going to be paying that?
Without time. $10,000 if it's 0%.
So 20 months, right? Okay. Then I probably don't want to touch it. All right. If you really do have 0%, and by the way, what happens the minute you miss a payment?
Or reverts back to some other way.
Yep, some outrageous.
Yeah.
What's happening now is most of the credit card companies are going out and just
They're just
arbitrarily
raising
changing the rates.
Changing the rates.
And if you say, well, I don't want you to change the rates, they say, okay, then pay the account off,
Yep.
you're done.
Yep.
So be careful.
What I was saying is that $500 a month, if the other examples you've done,
Yeah. Yeah, but
where would you be with that $500 rather than paying off that debt?
yeah, but if they don't have any interest, why would I make it, take out the equity line to pay off
A 0%.
a 0% interest?
Or if I got 1.9 or whatever,
Yeah, and that now,
would that be the same?
if you're paying interest, now that could work, depending, right? And that's what you have to look at. Everybody's situation is different. But I think here's what you're saying. What does the average person have for credit card balance today?
About $10,000.
All right? And what's the average interest rate?
14.2.
Yeah.
17.9.
That's the average. That's the average. Okay, so that means, like I said, like you said, we're paying $1,700 in interest. Well, what is their payment on this? You mean?
$300, $350.
Is it?
Pretty much.
No, they're paying 9% interest, so there's probably 2% is probably about $200.
Yeah. How long is it gonna be before this is paid off?
Forever.
All for all practical purposes, right? All right, now they also have a car. How much do they owe on the car?
19,000.
That's a cheap
Make it a
car.
little better. All right, now, and what is the payment on the 19,000?
$450.
Yeah.
You mean?
$500. $450.
450. All right, so they're paying $650 between the two, right?
Yeah.
All right, and I owe 29,000. So if I borrowed out 30,000, just to make it even simple here, again, what am I going to pay for an interest rate? 6%. So that means it's going to cost me how much? $1,800, which is how much per month?
150.
How much did I just save you? Now, if you put $500 a month away, in 10 years, not counting interest, how much money are you going to put away? That's what, 6,000 a year?
60,000.
So in 10 years, could I pay all that off and still make money? if you don't do this, are you gonna have 30,000 in 10 years?
No.